Introducing our room energy management solution designed to optimize energy use without compromising convenience. Our system activates the moment you enter the room. The door sensor detects entry as the door opens. An occupancy sensor identifies human presence, automatically enabling lighting and air conditioning. Additionally, a magnetic sensor disables the air conditioning when a window or balcony door is open. When the guest leaves, the occupancy sensor detects their absence. After a program delay, if no presence is detected, the lights and air conditioning are turned off. This helps minimize unnecessary power consumption. An optional enhancement to the REMS solution is the DND MMR module, which allows guests to indicate preferences such as Make My Room or Do Not Disturb. The Make My Room feature enables the housekeeping department to make informed decisions. The Do Not Disturb feature offers added comfort to guests and prevents inappropriate interruptions. Easily monitor and control energy usage through our intuitive interface, providing real-time updates and insights to help you make informed decisions and further enhance efficiency. By optimizing energy consumption, our room energy management solution not only reduces operational costs, but also promotes a greener, more sustainable future.